So this is my EDC setup that I carry every day. So here is my Amir wallet. It's in deep purple, very beautiful. Yeah, starting to patina very nicely. I've been carrying it for the last month or so. Yeah, it's just looking beautiful. Yeah, so I have many cards, got my sort of ID cards and stuff here, and then my main cards that I use. Well, actually, they're not my main, they're my secondary cards that I use. Card that I don't use much often here. Usually put some cash in there. I haven't got any cash on me at the moment. And then the main cards that I use basically on the outside and the quick access. So that's my wallet. And then I have my KBW Warrior sheath. So I keep this on the right side of my belt. There's a belt loop here. Again, this is beautiful leather. Bedolasi Carlo waxy pull up. This is in their light brown, and it's, yeah, I mean, I've only been carrying this for about a week. I made it like a week ago. I've been carrying it for a week, and already it's starting to patina very nicely. Look at that, it's getting a bit darker in color. So there's 3 slots here. So in this one, I've got a flashlight. It's the Olight what is it? Yeah, the i3T2. It's very small, and it's got like a 2 sort of light function. It's got like a main light and then like a softer light if you press it afterwards, and it's got momentary as well. So you just have to sort of not depress the button all the way, but just press it a little bit. That fits beautifully in here. Then I've got, so just a pen I picked up on Amazon. Really, I don't really know what it is. I think it says Smoother Pro. Okay. Yeah, works very well. Well, that fits here nicely. There you go, look. And on this side, I've got the my little pocket knife. It's the Whitby Mint. It's beautiful, non-locking folding knife. So it's completely UK legal. I think it's like a 2.5 or 2.75 inch blade. So it's under the UK limit for blade length. And it's really just really nice, well made. It's relatively cheap. I mean, it's not that expensive, but it's very beautifully made. Very sleek, very minimal, and yeah, just the action is very nice. That click is satisfying, and then, you know, there you go, very nice. And deep pocket carry, deep pocket thing, what's it called, it's very good. Like, you know, that's not coming out. Yeah, so yeah, that's my EDC. Just these 2 things, carrying everything I need for the day, or for, you know, any eventuality. Yeah, and by the way, I make these leather products. So yeah, if you like any of this, yeah, drop a message, hit me up, and we can get talking.